Hello everyone, you're welcome back to Chess with Devans. This is the second puzzle of the day. Remember, I promised you a second puzzle because the first one was very short and very easy. And I was like, hey, I'm going to give you a second puzzle. And I've brought this one. This is a bit tricky because this is not a mate in two puzzle. This is a mate in three puzzle. So, but before we get into the puzzle, I want to first wish Graham a very happy birthday. Actually, Graham is one of the oldest subscribers on this channel. He's one of the people who was here before I made 50 subscribers. So enjoy your day, Graham. He has always been commenting and he has always been here from day one. Just imagine we are almost clocking 600 subscribers and he has always commented and liked my videos. So enjoy your day, Graham. He's not alone. There are a couple of people who have been doing that, but he's definitely one of them. And he's literally one of my first subscribers. So enjoy your day, Graham. And now let's get into the puzzle. For the new people, make sure you subscribe and let's hit 600 subscribers. All right. So this is a mate in three puzzle and it is white to play. But I want you guys to first try it out by yourselves before we get into it. So if you do not mind, pause the video and try to solve it and come back when you found it. Good luck. All right, did you find the three moves that white has to play to mate black? The three moves, did you find them? Please let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to like the video. Let's get into it. Okay, so if you see one thing, is what you have to notice is that black is one step away from mating us. If you play any other move without mating, without checking black, black is winning the game. For example, if you play rook h1, yeah, the idea of maybe exchanging the rooks, black is not going to exchange the rooks. Black is going to literally play g7, rook g7, and that's a mate because the rooks are checking and the knight is there to cover the squares around. So that's a mate. So what we have to do, we have to know that if we play any other move without checking black, black is going to mate us. And we have to look for a good way, a profitable move of checking, because now if we try to check using our rook, this is literally not benefiting us because after black takes the rook, we are not going to mate it in the next two moves. So that's not going to benefit us. And also trying to check with the knight on e4 is not benefiting us because now black can capture it, and how are we going to mate it in the next two moves? There is no way. So literally, the move that is going to lead us to a mate in three is knight h5. Why? Because now black is left with one move, that is to capture the knight, because it is in a check. So the black rook will capture the knight. And then a very smart move from white. Do you see it? White has to capture white has to capture the knight using the rook. And then someone will be like, why are you sacrificing your rook? We are going to see why. When you capture the knight, black is left with one move because it is in a check. It has to either get out of the check, but it can't because all the squares are protected, so it has to capture the rook using its king. So it captures our king. Now, do you see the mate in one? Let me know if you see it, because now if rook plays e6, that's a mate. Black doesn't have anywhere to go. So that was the solution for the puzzle. Those were the three moves you had to play to mate black. So let me know if you found the three moves. Don't forget to subscribe. We need to hit 600 subscribers by the end of tomorrow. Until next video, have a good day.